President William Ruto niarikia gutongoria Kigomano kia Kumatia Ndugu ya Wonjoria Mwena wa South Korea ari hamwe na president wa bururi ucio niwe Yon na atongoria angi kuma mabũrũri matiganite. Ya mutongoria wa bururi ni augite ati kuona bururi wa Korea uri na wonjoria mwandaduku migunda minene ya uremi hamwe na namba nene ya mbeu njithi ire ina uhigireru wa mitambo ya kiriu bururi uyu unginyitanira na Kenya mieke ya mawira no kuongerereka kuri mabũrũri maya meri.
Therefore, it is important that this summit will point the way to the future for initiatives like the K-Rise Korea program, of which Kenya is an active participant, to be extended across Africa. Such programs are not just about enhancing production, but are also about building capacity and transferring technology to promote sustainability and resilience, especially in the light of escalating threat of global climate change. Secondly, I'm optimistic that a primary area of focus in our deliberations shall be science and technology. To be effective and sustainable, a repositioned partnership between Korea and Africa must be intentional in harnessing the potential of the fourth industrial revolution.
Rariria president Nigitanyitwo kurehe mucii Makiria ma ciringi bilioni 140 na guthondeka kanya ka Mawira kuri Makiria ma mbeu njithi 10,000 na aria mari Sektaini ya Ukinyaniria.
Korea's impressive advancement of ICT, and especially in the fields of robotics, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing, can enhance Africa's capacity to undertake successful economic transformation. I therefore call for a significant enhancement of technology transfer and knowledge exchange in order to empower our youth and spur inclusive economic development.
Aduini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kihuba.